Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, CB radio and ham radio fans, hello. I'm back here about the restoration of the Galaxy 1000 here. About 1 year ago I had made a video about this amplifier here. And now we make a test on 12 meters and on 10 meters, but I'm not so sure what's the power output here. I think I must replace one of these capacitors because the frequency range of 12 meters does not work really here. Okay, I will test here on 24965 download power meter, range 20 watts here. I will send with a FT870, about 4 watt here. Yes, about between 4 and 5 watts here. And now we start the machine. And we TX here with 5 watts input. Okay, we have about 180 watts here. About 200, oh no, I'm sorry, about 50 watts here. Genau. Just about 50 watts, 100 watts and 200 watts, just about 50 watts here on 12 meters. I think I need to replace the plate capacitor. And now we switch up to 28030, also an FM, and first I go to the range 1000 watts here. Okay, I will TX now. Okay, about 200. Okay, 200, not more. Not more, about 250 watts here with an input of 5 watts. That's not so good. I think that's the problem with the plate capacitor. Okay, I must restore the amplifier again with a new capacitor. Thank you very much for looking in. I will send a new video about this amplifier when I have restored it again. Thank you very much. Good luck. Good slide to the new year 2026. Here by Swiss Radios. Bye bye. Cheerio.